Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much. Well, thank you. Nice to see all of you here. Hi Joey, nice to see you here, right? And also Bradley. Wow, good to see that you have TP yesterday. Hi Trinette, Fab, ni hao. And Aiden, well, nice to see you here. Okay, and well, okay, that's cool. Okay, and we are now. Hey, hi Hubert. All right, Hubert, nice to see you here as well. Mika, Flora, Roger, Riano. Okay, Lausanne and Susan. All right, Susan. Okay. Oh, we have a Susan and we have a Suzanne. All right. Yes, nice to see all of you here. Okay, and yes. Okay. So yeah, yesterday I guess it's a pretty cool week to go. All right, cool week to start out with. I mean, okay. So yes, okay. So today we are going to do the same. All right. So first of all, reset your mind. Okay, yesterday profit may not equals to today. So please stay cool. Okay. And also, all right, and reset your mind. Okay, we restart everything. We're going to reassess the chart so that we don't bring the emotion, okay, over today. All right. Okay. Hi, Quang. Hi. Sawadee krap, yao liu pa. Nice to see you here. All right. Okay. So, guys, okay, let's see. What do we have today? Okay. Quickly, let's go with some updates. All right. So the updates today is still almost the same. Okay, so negotiation is still going on. You know, for the peace war in for the peace. Okay, no more war in this Ukraine and Russia. U.S. stepping in. Okay, so yes, yeah, that's right. Okay, Hubert, you're right. Okay, so tentatively by looking at this, hope things will turn better. Okay, and okay, so. Okay, I do not want to make any comment regarding that. Okay, okay, so let's move. Okay, we shall quickly go into our chart analysis. All right, just a gentle reminder. Okay, before I forget. Okay, for next week, 28th of March. All right, Euro hour will tune back. Okay, 1 hour earlier. So we will start the analysis as well in a GMT plus 8, 13 hours. All right, 13 hours. Okay. All right. So, and over here, okay, Aussie CAD. Let's talk about Aussie CAD here now. Okay, Aussie CAD. Aussie CAD. Well, looks good to short. Am I right? Okay, so let's take a look. Okay, give me the MT4, please. All right. Okay. Hi, CK. 你好. Okay, so yes, over here, let's take a look over here, Aussie CAD. Aussie CAD, as we can see, the bull has ran, right, and into my resistance area, the bear zone here. So now it has retraced downwards and respect the support, coming back again, coming here, going into the transition area. Am I right? Okay, but it failed to go into the transition area. Now coming, is still selling, is still transacted below the transition area. Okay, so it is still below the transition area. So that means to say the bull transited into the bear. So can we sell right now? Okay, so let's take a look in H4. So the trend here, we are going to sell Aussie CAD. However, can we sell exactly? All right. Over here, I will say that tentatively, as you can see, okay, this part here, okay, this part here has a lot of support. We're on the support right now, correct? So this is a support. So the resistance has no change. The resistance level is still there. The resistance area between here to here is still in this area. All right. So currently, okay, it is still working very hard to go back into the transition area, correct? Okay, so let me extend this transition area so that you can see clearer. Okay, like this. Okay, so now you can see. Okay, so if it's not going into the transition area, okay, then very likely it's going to hit on the resistance up there. okay, or here, all right, there are two resistance over here, then we will be able to start selling. Okay, then we'll be able to start selling. So for this case over here, okay, if I want to sell Aussie CAD, there are only there are two ways. One, wait for it to hit on the resistance area between this area, okay, this area and this area. Okay, I'm sorry guys, you have to pay attention to my crosshair. Okay, my crosshair, can you see my crosshair? Okay, because I just my whole office has upgraded to Windows 11, and Windows 11, I'm not sure, I don't know why my platform has doesn't show where's my mouse. Okay, so you know, Jerry has been running around, and the Tom, I'm chasing after it. Okay, so pay attention to my crosshair. Okay, all right. So okay, so tentatively, I'm looking at this area of resistance before I sell. Okay, if it's not breaking, then I will start selling. Alternatively, I will be looking at breaking the support here. Okay, breaking at the support level, then I will start selling below the support when the selling signal comes in. All right. Okay, so looking at H1, okay, so we are still actually trading below the resistance. Okay, so currently I'm still waiting for it to break the support here. All right. Okay, this support is very important, huh? Okay. All right, so Aussie CAD, okay, Aussie CAD, okay. So I will be paying attention to this Aussie CAD. Okay, so Aussie CAD, huh? Okay, I'm gonna put this in. Okay, okay, right. Okay, Aussie CAD. Okay, so next to go, right? Next to go, Aussie franc. Aussie franc. All right, Aussie franc is still going on the bull. All right, so I will be giving a miss for selling. So for buyers, I will say that please stay away. All right, please stay away, because currently, okay, as we can see, okay, this Aussie franc, from the day one, it has been stepping up for a higher support, and higher support. Continue the bull into the bear. So buyer, if you want to sell, buyer, if you want to buy, okay, it looks like it also has not much space for you to buy. Okay, so I will rather buyers and seller will stay away from Aussie franc today. Okay, all right. So let's move on again to Aussie yen. Right, this is Aussie yen. Now Aussie yen now is actually exceed expectation. So right now it's still on the bull run, very strong. Okay, it's still running very strong over here. So buyers, well, you can take a look. Okay, buyers can take a look. Okay, so seller, we have to stay away. Okay, tentatively we have as we can see, we are heading into the resistance area. Okay, so kind of tough to actually start buying. Okay, right now. Okay, however, do we still have a chance to buy? I would say yes. Okay, I would say yes. Okay, we still have a good chance to buy, huh? All right, so tentatively buying signal. All right, now we have a buying signal. However, please be very careful with the resistance along the way. Okay, all right. Okay, so let's move on again. Hi, Manwai, ni hao. All right, so yeah, Manwai, huh? Got good. I see that there's an improvement, huh? So that's good. Okay, so let's go in Aussie Kiwi. Aussie Kiwi here. Aussie Kiwi. Aussie Kiwi, we are into the transition area. Can you see the blue box here? Okay, so this is a transition area. Yes, this is a transition area over here. By looking at this right now, can we sell? Can we buy? I think buying is still on the running trend. Okay, so it's still on the buying trend. So running very strongly for the bull. Okay, so sellers tentatively we just stayed away. Okay, because as you can see, this is a very strong pin bar here. Okay, so it's a bullish pin bar, and that shows us a buying signal is very strong. Okay, so buyers, however, can you buy at this point of time? I would say tentatively you are on the resistance. Okay, you are on the resistance right now. Okay, so tentatively, if you are on the resistance right now, I would suggest I would suggest that actually you can wait for it, be patient, be a little bit patient. Let's go down to H1, all right? Be a little bit patient to break the resistance level over here, okay? Then with a new setup of a buying signal that is a red and green candle coming along, okay, then that will be a good time for us to continue the buying. Okay, that will be a good time for us to buy. Okay, so buyers can take note, but sellers, please stay away. All right, seller, please stay away. Okay, okay, so now let's move again. Aussie dollar. All right, Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar, yes, today, okay, we are having a bull run. So this whole trend, if you're looking at it, higher support, higher low, creating a higher support towards the resistance level, correct? Where's the resistance level? The resistance level, okay, it should be around here. Okay, we'll go down to the lower time frame to check it out to make sure. Okay, so right now we want to determine the trend first. Okay, so let's look at this. All right, Roger was saying that, am I going too fast? Is my English going too fast? Okay, I hope not. Okay, okay, so just let me know if I'm going too fast, huh? Okay, okay, so okay, right here in day one, I'm looking out for my trend, which is a bull trend. Okay, which is a bull trend now. Okay, this is a bull trend. So now this bull trend, today we have a selling candle coming down. Okay, is it coming as a bear? I wouldn't say so. Okay, I would say that this is only a retracement in the bull market. Okay, in the bull. So in H4, let's take a look. Do we have a chance to trade the retracement? Okay, tentatively, I would say not really as well, because we are also very near to the support. Okay, this is a support level which has no change. All right, that means to say it is strong. It has no change since yesterday. All right, so it is very strong. Okay, so I would prefer not to take the risk. Okay, so now in this case, Aussie dollar, okay, I will still suggest a buy. Okay, so buyers, be patient. When it hits on the support, okay, then with a buying signal, you can go for a buy. All right, so probably you may have about 50 pips to go. All right, okay, so make good use of the 50 pips of space to grab, whether 5, 10, or 20. Okay, but not 50. Okay, definitely not 40 as well. Okay, all right, so take it easily. Okay, okay, so be patient. Okay, all right, so I'm going to skip Aussie dollar for selling today. All right, so buyers, you can take note of Aussie dollar. Okay, all right, so let's move again to Euro Aussie. Euro Aussie, we are in the bear trend. After it hits on the support and come back, retrace up, the retracement ended and started to sell to retest again. Okay, so as you can see, this is the retesting part. All right, so retesting part here, we will take a look where is the support level. Okay, one here. All right, because there's one over this area, but this area has break. Okay, so now we are going into the bear. So we are going into the bear zone. Let's check to confirm. Okay, where is the resistance level? All right, so over here, as you can see, all right, as you can see over here, let me shift down a little bit for the resistance. Why am I shifting down this resistance? It's because, as you can see, previous support, okay, previous support area has been tested and break, just break, okay. So the previous support, when they have been tested and break, it will become a resistance, correct? Okay, so now resistance, so that's good. So when we go into H1, okay, when we go into H1, as you can see, it breaks and now it's going up again to retest. So this is something that we should take note of. When it started to go up and retest the resistance, okay, that means to say the resistance, it will create a lower resistance and it will become a trending market. When it become a trending market, okay, when Euro Aussie become a trending market, that means to say it will have a lower resistance, creating a lower low. All right, so a lower resistance creating a lower low to break this, which is about 27 and maybe 30 pips. Okay, so that is one way that you can pay attention, okay, with this kind of chart, okay, with this kind of charting. However, there is a support, okay, there's a support nearby. There's a support nearby, which is over here, all right? So if you are going to start trading right now, you are in the retracement, okay, because over here we still show aqua is above the white line. It still show that we are being supported. Yes, we are being supported, okay. And if we want to enter a trade, I would prefer to have aqua cuts below the white line, candle below the white line, okay, red candle coming below the white line, or aqua cuts below the white line, then that will be good, okay. So tentatively, by looking at this, all right, okay, as you can see, M5 over here has tested the resistance. It's not breaking and start to zoom down, then come back to retest, okay, but it hasn't reached and is still forming up a lower resistance, continue the trending. So now, by looking here, there's the support has built up, is a higher support, and it may create another higher support. So be very patient, let it go with higher support towards the resistance. If it's not breaking, and it will come back with a lower resistance, then we start trading, okay? That will be a good time to trade, all right? So this is something like our A1, you know, in M5, okay? So that's exactly what's happening in H1, all right? So use the same way to trade, okay? All right, so Euro Aussie, I guess this is going to be a long wait, okay? We need to have a lot of patience with this. Okay, so tentatively by looking at this Euro Aussie, okay, I'm going to put this, but please be patient to wait. Okay, I'm going to put this into my watch list. Okay, EUROCAD, all right, EUROCAD, we are in the bear. We are tentatively in the bear market, correct? Bear market, yesterday we were talking about a few days ago, we were retesting and now retesting the bull zone as well. So of course, we are very comfortable grabbing the profits for the past few days or for the past 2 weeks. However, we cannot just take it for granted that it will continue the selling, okay? So please be very patient with this because we are right now we are very near to the bull zone. Okay, we are very near to the bull zone here. So this bull zone, it can be very dangerous. All right, so in terms of this EuroCAD today, I'm going to give this a miss. Okay, I'm going to give this a miss. Okay, Riano was saying that there's some space available, about 40 pips. Can I try that? Well, I think once it opens into the support area, okay, definitely I wouldn't want to try it anymore. Okay, I wouldn't want to try. Okay, this is the area where in certain stage in the forex trading we got to stay away. All right. Okay, so I'm not going to put this into my watch list because my watch list requires at least 80% winning rate. All right. Okay, hi, Wang Zhiyu, 你好. All right, so okay, we shall move on. Euro yen. Sorry, Euro yen. We are moving towards the next resistance level. Okay, which is up here. So still in the bull market. Buyers, you can take a look. We have about 36 pips to go. All right. So forming a higher support. Continue to run. Oh, the buying signal has gone. Okay, I guess it is gone. All right, so the buying signal is here. Okay, the buying signal was here. It has ran about 60 pips. 60 pips. So guys, you see, this is 60 pips. All right, so it has already long gone. Okay, don't chase. Okay, don't chase. All right, chasing is really a killer. All right, so forget about euro yen. So let's wait for buyers, another retracement right now like this. Okay, so forming up another buying signal. Okay, so be very careful with the resistance over here, about 35 pips or 36. Okay, so you have that space to collect your profits. Okay, all right. Okay, so I'm not going to put this into my watch list for euro yen because I'm a seller. So I'm going to stay away from this euro yen. Okay. All right, so now let's move again to Euro Kiwi, Euro Kiwi. Okay, all right, Euro Kiwi. Yes, again, we are on the bear market right now. We are selling. The trend is still on the selling mode, which is good. Okay, however, today the selling mode seems like we have some bearish. Okay, okay, over here, barricades here. We are on the support. Okay, so there's only one way that I'm going to trade for Euro Kiwi. Okay, that's only one. That is, I'm going to wait for it to break the support. Okay, I'm going to wait for it to break the support level. Okay, break the support with a new resistance below, then I will start selling. Okay, I will continue the selling because I think after it breaks and towards we have very good space to sell. Okay, so let me wait. I want to wait for Euro Kiwi. Okay, Euro Kiwi. I'm going to wait for it to break the support level. Okay, then I will start trading. All right, so let's go for euro dollar here. Okay, euro dollar. Yes, good. Okay, so over here we have a selling. It's a bear, right? It's still a bear today. Good that is breaking. Right, it's breaking the support. Okay, and we are heading down to the next one. How it's going to be? Let's see how it is going to be. Okay, support. The first, I will see that the nearest support here. Okay, over here. All right, so tentatively another one here. Okay, so there's this is one of the support. Okay, so now the support. Now we are testing on the support. Okay, testing the support. Remember, this is why I say testing the support. So what am I going to do? First thing, I'm going to wait for it to break. Okay, so right now it looks very clear that seems like it's breaking the support, correct? Okay, yes, okay. The support has break. Now it's retesting the support. You see, can you see it breaks and retesting the support? So, and in actual fact, to be exact, we look at here. Okay, the support here, right? There's a support here. So the support has been tested once, tested twice, thrice, and break. So support eventually become a resistance. Okay, so this is good. Okay, euro dollar. So now look out, guys, look out. There I go again. Euro dollar. Okay, is retesting the previous support which become a resistance. Okay, so if there's another, this creating a lower resistance, so the previous support that become a resistance, it is also creating a lower resistance, and lower resistance eventually will go for a lower low. All right, so we have about 9 pips. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to move the support down. Okay, I'm going to move the support downwards, which is here, and I'm going to move the resistance level, which if the support become the resistance. Okay, now this is the time. Okay, so you have this space. All right, so euro dollar. Okay, euro dollar. All right, so remember to look out for euro dollar. Okay, we are now on the resistance now. Okay, use H1 to see whether it will break. Okay, so if it's not breaking, the next resistance candle coming along. Okay, that means maybe another 30 minutes when the market opens. Okay, for the pound and for the euro. Okay, probably it will start to swing down. Okay, so be patient. Okay, please do not enter now. Okay, we are on the resistance, but we don't have a selling signal yet. Okay, all right. Okay, so euro dollar will be in my watch list. Okay, so pound Aussie. Next, pound Aussie, we are in the selling mode right now. Okay, still in the selling mode. So this selling mode, we are on the support. Again, let's see the support over here. No change to the support area. That means I've been hovering around this area of resistance towards the support, which is 100 pips. Okay, a 90 plus pips to 100. So this 90 plus to 100, okay, we have a good space, but now we're on the support. You have a tendency that it may retrace upwards. Okay, So what's the best way to go? Check H1. I want it to break the support. I want it to break the support. But breaking the support, there's another lower support there. Okay. So this is about 18 pips. Okay, I guess today is not really nice. Okay. I will give this a miss. Okay. Choose, I would say a scalp of 5 probably, but tentatively by looking at this white line here, is still being supported. All right. So I guess I'm going to give this a miss. Okay. So AUDCAD over here, well, looks good to sell. It is in the selling mode, but we are in the zone of support, in the zone of bull, that it may turn any time. Okay, it may turn any time. So over here, by looking at this, I guess this is not really a good one. Okay, this is not really a very good one for us to trade for now. Okay, I'm going to monitor a little while, maybe tomorrow. If it breaks below the bull zone, okay, probably we'll have another selling trend in for AUDCAD. Okay, so AUDCAD today I'm not going to pay attention to this. Alright, a bit too risky for me, so I'm going to stay away. Okay, so buyers, no, you also no. Okay, there's no buying signal at all. Okay, all right, so pound franc, let's take a look at pound franc. Right, pound franc. Okay, so by looking at this, we are now over here from the starting. The bull ran up and came down in the bear. Correct? It's in the bear. Correct? Yeah. It looks like it's in the bear. Or should I look at here and it become a bull? Okay. Well, this is a bit conflicting, am I right? Yeah, quite conflicting, huh? Okay, so in that case, stay away. Okay, no clear direction, don't go anyway. Okay, all right. So pound yen, let's take a look at pound yen. Pound yen is very obvious. We are going on the bull, right? Like now UK with this, I would say UK has been doing very well. Okay, since we have a very good prime minister, okay, in UK, and with the pound has recovered until the price of 2016. Okay, 2016, where the Brexit actually fallen. Okay, pushes the price down all the way to such a low price, and the pound has recovered over the time and becoming very strong right now. Okay, so is it good to buy? I would suggest tentatively it is still not a good time to buy yet. Okay, because it is very near to the resistance level. Okay, so let's see, we are here. Okay, so this resistance level, if it's going to retest on the resistance and forming up with a red and green candle, that means to say is a higher support, higher low with a signal of strength to buy, to go higher high. So let's wait. Okay, so pound yen, no for selling anymore. Okay, all right, there goes your favorite. Yeah, there goes my favorite in the month of since the month of this January until now. Okay, I have one round here. Okay, another round here, but it's gone. Okay, so let's wait for another round probably. Okay, all right, pound kiwi, we are in the selling mode. Fantastic selling mode. Okay, so tentatively by looking at this, we on any support? Okay, let's see. Okay, the support, is there any resistance? Tentatively by looking at this, we are forming a lower resistance where previous support has been tested. Okay, false breakout. Okay, and now breaking. Tested a few rounds. Okay, and it come back as a resistance here. Okay, let's check in H4. Is it correct? Okay, so tentatively by looking at this here, H4. All right, we have a very obvious resistance over here, as you can see. Okay, the support here, retested, break, resistance become a support, become a resistance, and now it has started to swing down for about 50 over pips. So it has already ran for 50 over pips. So now we are in the middle of nowhere. Can we still trade? I guess so. Yes, 65 pips. Then let's check. Okay, so you see from the support, it retraced upwards to hit on the resistance over here. Okay, and now this chart actually showing me that it's actually coming to the end of the retracement and going into the transition to go back to the prevailing trend. Yes, it is going back to the prevailing trend. All right, so now in H1, zooming down to H1, okay, looking at this support, okay, there's a previous support here, okay, been tested once and break. So is this going to be a support that become a resistance? Not that obvious that I can see, all right? Okay, so tentatively I would prefer here. Okay. However, this is a retracement trading. It may not be as fantastic. Okay, the movement may be a little bit slow, be it is buying or selling. Okay, so pound kiwi today, okay, I'm going to give this away unless aqua cuts below the white line. Okay, that means it breaks the support over down here. All right, or okay, tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow. All right, so in that case, I'm going to give this a miss. All right, guys. Okay, pound kiwi today. Yes, although we are in the bad trend, however, it looks good to sell to me. Okay, it has retraced upwards to retest the resistance, but still building up a new support here. Okay, so I guess this is not really a very good one. But for people who are very well versed with retracement trading, okay, probably this is your game. Okay, all right. So I'm not going to put this into my list because it doesn't stand in for a 80% winning rate here. Okay. So now let's move into pound dollar. Pound dollar. We are heading down south. Okay. So we are still in the selling mode. So good to see that. And right now, okay, we are heading over here. Where's the resistance? Okay, let's see. We have a very clear higher support. Okay, over this part here. All right, if you can see. Okay, so this is a higher support, which is a sign of buying. However, right now it's coming down and breaking out the pattern. So there's a support here. Okay, up here it has break. Okay, so now what's next? The next one will be here, the support over here. So we have a support here. Okay, so previous support, this support has been tested once, is testing again. Looks like it's going to break. Okay, all right, so right now let's take a look in H1. Okay, H1 very obvious. Okay, with our purple line, as you can see, touches, it went up, and now it's trying to break out the pattern. Okay, so now the momentum is being disturbed. The momentum has been disturbed. So once the momentum has been disturbed, it's always a good sign that it's going for a change. So this change over here, immediately we have a support. So I only have one way for pound dollar, which is to break the support level, with a new resistance below the support, and I will start trading. Okay, I will start selling. Okay, so pound dollar, please wait for it to break the support. Okay, then we will start selling. Okay, all right, break the support with a new resistance below, then we start selling. Okay, now let's move again to dollar CAD. Now, right now, we are now moving towards the north. Higher support over here, correct? Higher support. And now this pattern has been disturbed once again, like pound dollar, correct? Okay, so over here, let's take a look, zoom in. We are going to sell. However, will there be any support along the way? Let's see, we have a support here. Okay, this support, we have a support here, starting here, tested once, tested twice, a few times here. Okay, so this support is pretty strong. Well, will there be a chance to sell? Okay, let's see. We have about 23 pips, so good. This is kind of good. Okay, well, let's zoom in again. all right, in H1, okay, in H1, let's look at this resistance, okay, this resistance over here. The resistance is actually up here, okay. So the support has this support is down here, and you can see all the candles are actually respecting the support, which is the white line, okay, the exchange rate. So if we are going to start trading, I think this trading a selling, I guess you only have about 19 pips, 20 pips, but it's not easy. Okay, but buying will be so much easier. Okay, so today dollar CAD, I'm not going to sell right now. Okay, I'm going to stay away for a moment. Okay, I'm going to stay away for a moment. All right. Okay, you may have a chance to sell. Yes, Flora, you have a chance to sell unless it breaks the support. Unless it breaks the support here, then I will start selling. If not, I will not do any selling. Okay, I won't have any selling. Okay. All right. How about dollar franc? Dollar franc is very straightforward. We are also going for a buy. Okay, this is a bull market right now. Okay, so it's very obvious. The bull has been running very smoothly all the way. Okay, so higher support again. Okay, another higher support. This is another higher support. So buyers, yes, you can go for a buy. But however, we are very near to the resistance. As you can see, this is the resistance level. So buyers, please be patient. Okay, let's wait for it to break the resistance, retest the resistance, that become a support, then you buy. Okay, that's for dollar franc. All right. Okay, dollar yen. How about dollar yen? All right, dollar yen. Now dollar yen is very obvious. We are going for a bull. It's exceeding the expectation again. So this is still going for a bull run. So is it a good time for us to buy now? Okay, since I can't see, I'm going to move further up a bit. Okay. All right. So tentatively, by looking at the resistance, okay, the resistance, I wouldn't suggest a buy. No, sorry, a buy is possible. Okay, let's see. Okay, buy is possible for another another 80 pips of space. So it's quite possible, you know, right? So let me see. Okay. Yes. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, we have a resistance right now. Okay, we have resistance right now. So same thing. If there's a resistance right now, wait for it to break first. Okay, wait for it to break. Okay, let's wait for it to break the resistance. Then after that, okay, we are going to buy. Okay, let's say how the resistance is exactly here. Okay, so let's wait for it to come back to retest. If it feels to break down, okay, then it form another buying signal in H1, then you can continue the buying. All right. Then if it's not, then I will suggest you better stay away. Okay, because it's a bit it's running a bit strong. Okay, and there isn't any clear buying signal at the moment. Okay. All right. Okay. So move again to Bitcoin. All right, Bitcoin. Okay. So Bitcoin over here, yes, Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, now we are also standing very strong. Okay, now let's see, where are we from here? Okay, remember I told you that we are looking out for a support when it's coming down. So this is the support that is actually climbing right now. It's still on the climbing mode. Okay, so there's a resistance, okay, over here. So now let's come back and take a look. This is the resistance. So right now, Bitcoin is retesting the previous resistance that now become a support, correct? Okay, so like I say, this Russia and Ukraine war, okay, it has put cryptocurrency into a test. So it seems like crypto is actually reacting it well, and now it's retesting the resistance that become a support. If there is a buying signal, okay, coming along, right, then I will guess it will continue the buying. It will continue the buying trend. Okay, Bitcoin, I will still be looking at 48. Okay, still looking at 48. Right now we are 42. Okay, so we have plenty of space to go. It's quite a good potential there. Okay, so Riano and Roger. Okay, good luck to you. Okay, all right. So coming to the end of this Forex trading plan session, I hope all of you like this session. So let's have a sum up. We are going to focus selling on Aussie CAD, Euro Aussie, Euro Kiwi, okay, Euro dollar, and pound dollar. Okay, all right. So looks like we don't have many pairs to focus, which is also a good thing because it will let us stay focused so that we can capture our TP. All right. Okay, so I guess that's about all right. So today I think we are we are we are quite cool with this. Okay, we'll have a few potential one like euro dollar. All right, so euro dollar come back, we still a little bit of time. Okay, euro dollar. Oh, euro dollar. I don't know anyone capture euro dollar. Okay, so now it's running on 7 pips. Okay, so 7 pips already. Okay, I hope this will actually give some rewards there. Okay. Okay, good. So that's all for me, guys. Thank you so much. Oh, Bradley, I almost TP, huh? Okay. Yeah, I guess you will. Okay. Okay. Good luck to everyone. Okay. I hope today this session will help you to grab some profit today as well. Remember, if you grab some profit, remember leave a comment below to share your joy with me. I don't need you to share your profit with me, but just share your joy with me by leaving a comment below. All right. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. See you again tomorrow. This is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. See you tomorrow.